Composition function. So this video mainly focus on explaining about composition function because this concept is a little bit hard to understand. So if there are two functions such as f(x) and gx are given, we can find out f and g functions composition function. So indicate this way. Many people or many other mathematics instructor read the symbol as of, but of means multiplication. So I actually don't know the exact name of this symbol, so I usually just call open dot. It is not of. Of means multiplication, so you need to read either some other name or just like me, f open dot gx. Okay, so f open dot gx, this means you are plugging gx into fx. That's what this means. So if I write this symbol using input and output notation, this one the same as f gx. That's what this means. Then what if we generate g open dot fx then? Yes, this one will be you are plugging fx into gx. That's what this means. Okay, then let's practice using given example functions. So given fx equal to 4x minus 7 and gx equals to 2x plus 1. We want to find out f open dot gx and then also g open dot fx as well. Okay, so let me ask you again, what does this mean? Yes, we are plugging gx into fx here. So now what is gx? That's gx here. So you are plugging this into here. That's what this composition function meaning here. Because we are plugging gx into fx, this function main form is fx function here. So the key point is we are making f open dot gx, this one become 4 parentheses and minus 7 here. So again, the reason we have this form because f open dot gx will follow f action format. That's the reason. Now you're plugging this into here. Okay? Then now, before I'm gonna simplify f of the g function, let's look at this first. This means we are plugging fx into gx here, right? So similarly, what we have done here, this fx, this one will be going into this. So as you see this purple marker, g open the fx function will follow gx format. So this becomes g open dot fx equal to 2x plus 1 like that. And then this value will go here. Therefore, inside must be 4 x minus 7. So do you see difference here? So f open that gx means it follow fx function format. G open the fx means it follows gx format. And then you are plugging gx into f and then fx into g. That's the difference here. Okay, so let me simplify. So now you distribute, then this becomes 8x plus 4 minus 7. Therefore, f open the g x means 8x minus 3. And then this become 8x minus 14 plus 1. So g open dot fx equal to 8x minus 13. That will be the answer for these two composition functions. So let's look at another example. Given f x equal to x squared and g x equal to square root x minus 3. So we want to find out both f open dot g x and g open dot f x. Okay, let's solve this problem together. So f open dot g x will be something square, and then we need to figure out gx into f, so which is this one here, so that will go into here, which means inside become square root x minus 3 square. Okay, now if you simplify this one, so it cancelled out, so x minus 3. Therefore, f open dot g x equal to x minus 3. Now, g open dot f x, it will be form as square root something minus 3, and then you are plugging this x squared into here. Okay, then this become square root x squared minus 3. Therefore, g open dot f x equal to square root x squared minus 3. Okay,